Hi everyone. If you are someone who thinks about very much people, what people will think about me if I make mistake while speaking, what if they have found out my mistakes. So this video is for you. So my friend, stop thinking like this. From today, don't think about it. Why I am telling you? Because people will judge you even if you speak this language correctly. They will ridicule you if you speak this language very well. So don't think about it and always speak this language and don't demotivate yourself. Yeah. Some people, what happens? Someday they don't speak this language. Why? Because they don't feel like to talk people. Yeah. Look, if you are doing this thing, you are never going to speak this language correctly. You will always stuck in this thing. Yeah. So my friend, it is blowing very hard. So please don't feel very bad because my voice can shake. Yeah, please maintain only one video. Yes, I will try to make video every day. Not this time. Yes, but for today, please cooperate with me. Yeah. So people will going to think about, people will judge you even whether you speak very well and whether you speak very bad. Yeah, people doesn't have any topic here. Yeah. Now I am recording this video. I'm not able to speak this language and I don't think about if a person abuse me, I will not listen because I know everybody today, the person who speak this language very confidently, they must have gone through this situation right now I am going. They have seen this thing and they face this problem. This is why today they are able to speak. Maybe so many people have judged his English. Yes. So if you keep this kind of mindset in your heart, nobody can stop you to be fluent in this language. Yeah, so don't think about people. This was my main topic for you. Always focus on your thing and yeah, don't ever try to wait for perfect moment. Don't think that today I will not speak this language, today I will not practice, today I will not imitate people. Yeah, don't think like this because time is never going to wait you. So you have to move forward in this journey with time. Yes, if you listen your emotion, if you go with this language, if you go with your emotion in this language, you will not be able to learn this language. So only this much I want to tell you. I think you all have understood what I have tried to tell you. So bye.